Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to remove a card from Patreon or remove payment method from Patreon tutorial. So let's start. Now first what we have to do is open the Patreon app. Okay, let it load. If you are on web app, you can also open the web. Now here you can see my profile. I have followed a Patreon page known as CZE and Peku. Now this is a community page. Now what you need to do is next on the top left corner you can see my profile photo. Now what you need to do is click on your profile photo. Now let it load. Here you can see several options like membership, settings, support, logout. Now what you need to do is just click on the settings option. Now here you can see your basic info or details. Now head back and again open the area. Now click on my membership. Now next what you need to do, here you can see your memberships which are free or any other things. Now if you have a current active membership, what you need to do is open that membership and there will be an area where you will have your pay in methods which are cards or PayPal. Now what you need to do is just click on that payment method and it will load. Now here you can see I didn't add any card or payment method, but if you will have a card or payment method, what you need to do is you will see a dustbin option in this area, in the right area of the screen, which will be of red color. You have to click on that and then it will ask you, should I remove the credit card from your payment method? You have to click on OK. Then after clicking on OK, you will be able to remove your card and other payment methods. So thank you for watching. This was it for this video. I will see you in the next one.